The drive to win is fierce, whether it is your academic performance, your work at the office, or even your performance in sports, because the bar for higher skills is only getting higher with time. The last thing you can afford to lose in this ever-competitive world, especially in sports, is your skill to perform your best, because every second, every gram, and every millimeter counts. It is because of our undying ambition to achieve better than the best the performance enhancers came into existence. Performance enhancement is all about ensuring that you achieve your full potential. It is about empowering and enabling people to move from good to great and beyond. Today, performance enhancement is most often associated with drugs taken by athletes and college students to improve physical and mental performance. But what if I tell you that an oral appliance can help you improve your performance? Yes, this is a little known fact that Dr. Raj is the first dentist to introduce neuromuscular dentistry for sports medicine and performance enhancement in India through the Right Bite chain of dental clinics.
As far as an athlete is concerned, every fraction of a second, a millimeter, or even a gram affects their performance. A bilaterally isotonic, muscle-based jaw position can enhance this performance. And this is where the principles of neuromuscular dentistry helps them with better breathing, improved stamina, and a much more precise balance. The bite decides the position of the jaw in the human structure, and that affects the position of the TMJ. Now guess what? The TMJ forms the most superior point in the entire postural chain through the cervical spine, shoulder, the hips, the knee, and the ankle. So any variation in any of these would make sure that the patient or the athlete ends up with future injuries or recurrent problems with their performance. Hence, all these joints need to be in perfect order with no change whatsoever, no compromise whatsoever. And this would enable that athlete to perform much better. A point of note though, not everyone can benefit from this. And that is why a hugely deep insight into the assessment of that athlete is a must. There is a common misconception out there. You get to buy these off-the-counter mouth guards. You see them, the boxers wear them. They believe that it would stop them from getting those physical injuries like the cuts and the bruises. But our mouth guards are not being made for that purpose. It helps mainly to increase your stamina and your performance. Our Right Bite sports guards, more famously known as the RBS guards, do precisely that. They are customized to perfection and precision. We have encountered hordes of athletes across different sports, and we have helped them, especially in India.
The extensive diagnostic and treatment regimen followed at the Right Bite Craniofacial Pain Care has revolutionized dental practice. This custom-made device will help compensate for your lost motor or cognitive function and mentally improve the way you currently perform.
Once we see any athlete or a sports person walk into the Right Bite Center, the first step in our protocol for them is to check their stability in the body. So we have a lot of sophisticated equipments, like one of them is the MAT scan. It tells us how much sway the body has. So more the sway, the lesser the stability in the body. Lesser the stability, lesser the performance. So once these athletes or sports person, they start using our Right Bite sports guard, it improves the stability by lessening the sway in the body. So lesser the sway, more and better balance, better breathing, better stamina, thereby better performance.
In today's world, gaining an edge on your competitors is significant. Many infamous drugs and supplements may serve the same purpose, but they come with their own set of side effects. So it is time for you to achieve your full potential, to give your best, to beat the rest and succeed in being the best.